There we go. Sorry, I lost my finger mark. I'll do this thing and squish the puppy there. She'll play with him all day if you let her. Hey, come on, Boop Boop. Come on, Boop Boop. We're all over here. We're playing with Bee. Come on. Come on. You can come. I got one stuck over here now again. Hey, now. She says, no, I'm waiting for a ball. I don't want poopies. I'm waiting for a ball. Come on. You can come with us? Come on, come with the feet. Come on, you can come. You can come. Come on. Come on. You can come. Come with the feet. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Okay, follow the feet. Oh, yeah, go play the dish. Okay, come on. You come with me. Come on. Come on. I got two of them going back there. Come on. You can come. That's it. There we are. Oops, who we got behind us? This is the trouble with trying to walk and talk. Come on, guys. Yeah, come on. Oh, traffic going by, eh? Not so sure about that traffic going by. Yeah, I can figure stuff out. Says, hey, what happened to my door? This is their kennel. It's actually a double or a triple kennel put together. That way they've got lots of space. It's safe inside. It's got a rubber mat on the bottom. It's all shielded. BJ, be nice. Don't get them all slobbery wet. Well, everybody's fixing my feet for me. Yeah, you like the stinky moccasins? You like the stinky moccasins? Mums wants to say hi to you guys. Mums wants to say hi to you. I can't get the camera the right direction to get your face. There's 4 there. What do we got here? There's 1. On my moccasin, of course. Yeah. There's 4. How you doing, Tiz? And BJ having fun. Oh, somebody's stuck. Come over here, Boop Boop. Boop Boop. We're over here. We're over here. It's okay. Now follow the boots. Huh? Follow the big boots. Oh, here we are. Hello. Yeah, the tail's going up. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. No startle. Come on. Come on, follow. Yeah, follow. Oh, follow the boots. Not sure? Okay, come on. Come on. Hey, come on. Come on, let's go this way. Come on. There we go. Come on. That's good following. Yeah, there. BJ's playing over here, and I'm falling in holes in the yard. There we go. Tripping over leaves. Yeah, am I tripping over leaves? Be nice. I know. You saying I'm staying away from them things? They just want to suck? Okay, B. Okay, B. Go. Go. Come on. Go. Hey, those moms make a lot of noise. Oh, and here they come back, just a flying. Oh, he's around the house already. Be back in a minute. There she is. So come on now, let's run around. There's Chet checking out to see if pups have left anything good to eat. She got kicked out of the house because she's been in all day. Silly thing, been laying on the cushion, hasn't moved basically all morning. Oh, what you doing, guys? On the big feet? Hey, are you on the big feet? Yeah? What? What'd you say? Yeah? Really? What? What'd you say? What'd you say? got one there underneath her. I say grass tickles on my belly. Eh? Does grass tickle on your belly? So hello. So hello. How are ya? You telling her to follow, guys? You come over here with Bee. See what she's up to. Come on. Nell says, oh, somebody's at the door. What? Okay. I guess the boys are coming to play with the Pookies. Want to see the Pookies. So they'll have a little bit of cuddle time with the Harder boys. We're just teaching them how to be with dogs and cats and whatnot. They're not raised with animals. So we're teaching them what to do and how you do it. They've been watching the puppies grow and they've been waiting for the puppies to get big enough for them to play with at all. Because I won't let them in when they're really tiny. They can look at them, but they can't touch them. So it keeps the puppies safe. So you don't get any illness. BJ, you silly old bug. You silly bug who's here with me. Huh? You say, hi, bunnies. I'm just going to hang on to feet all my life. Oh. Hmm? Yeah, I'm just going to hang on to feet all my life. Yeah. What are you doing? Chewing on my foot there. What are you doing? See, you tell them you don't have any of those tit things. Oh. Oh, hello, honey. How are you, honey? Huh? Oh, BJ, you silly. Oh, I guess they're trying to suck. She doesn't like that. She doesn't have tits yet. Yeah. See, that's how Mom will teach them. She growls at them, and that's what you will do too. If you take them by the scruff of the neck, put their face up to you, so you're looking down. You see how she's looking down? And then she just zips at them a little bit. She doesn't hurt them. But she gives them a growl, gives them a sniff, and tells them no. And if they don't bother anything more, then they're fine. If they bother, then they'll get another one. You see how he's being deferred in his behavior to her? He's crawling up with his head up towards her. Yeah. Being subservient. Looking up at her, not crawling into her face. And that's how they learn. Hey now, you coming this way? Not bloody likely, eh? Come on. You can come over here. Come on now. I'm not getting too close. Right here. You're fine. Good girl. Good girl. She says, I don't want to get too close. They'll be sucking on me, and I don't want that right now. That's a good girl. She always turns her head away from people when she sits with them. One nice trait I really like about her, because you never have her face in your face, and turns her head off. One of my favorite. Oh, there's Tit laying there in the sunshine. One of my favorite traits from her. BJ's trying to get him to play, or her to play. She's not quite big enough to figure out the game. P, don't be rough. Don't be rough. It's okay now. It's okay. Pretty soon she won't be able to walk away from him now, so she's going to go and make sure that everything's clean in there. Check that we haven't left any food around. That way there's no predators coming to bother them. Keeps the smell down. Everybody's settled quite nicely by my feet here. There we go. Yeah. That's a good girl. Coming by me isn't a good idea. Hey! Bee! Bee! Get back here! Bee! Stay back here. And there we have it. Puppy being good. He's going off to his home. Yeah. And here's my herder boy. Coming to play. No, she won't, honey. Just sit down. Just sit down. You have to just sit down until she stops being excited.
Now, come on, guys.
Stay. Hey, now, Bee, come here. Now, come here. Stay. Now. Now, come here.
Yeah.
I think there's another one, isn't there? 1, 2. How many we got?
Here,
1, 2, 3. Yeah, we got 5.
We followed them.
So, how's Elizabeth today?
Oh, good. It was exciting to be home for the whole day. Now I was just feeling tired so much today.
Hey, no waving hands.
After